Hello, students of Idiot Tuition. All right, today we are going to do a little bit of angles. So if you are here for lesson, right, I believe you'll be in like Sec 1 or Sec 2 lah. Huh? All right, so today's lesson, as you can see, is mainly for the Sec 1 because I think the previous lessons I've been doing a little bit more on the Sec 2s already. Things like expansion, factorization, even talking about the simple interest, compound interest, and also something to do with the direct and inverse proportion. Yeah. So I was thinking that this lesson give it a bit to the Sec 1 lah. And at this moment, I believe the secondary one, right, at this moment in school, they are doing something called angles. And angles will lead to something called polygons also, right, which is very important. You need to write the what? You need to write the reasoning. All right, don't just write what 70 plus 25 without any reasoning like that. All right, so the reasoning is very important. I'll be showing you how to write those reasons. And for Sec 2, please understand that this topic angles is still being tested in your secondary 2. All right, it doesn't mean that you go up to Sec 2, only Sec 2 topics will come out. That is a wrong idea. All right, Sec 1 and Sec 2 topics will be coming out for your final year exam. Really, your teacher called me up already. No lah, but it's a fact, it's a fact. All right, you have to know that Sec 1, Sec 2 work, all right, all will be tested one. So treat this as a good revision for you. All right. All right. So moving on to the lesson in proper. All right. If you can have the exercise book, a little math notebook with you, you can consolidate all the important things. All right, inside the math notebook, if you have such a book, bring it out with you. The worksheet I think is important because we are doing angles. I need to, show you where the angle is and all this, so you can actually follow my steps and do it out step by step with me. All right. And yes, your stationery, if you have some colored pens, ruler, pencil, eraser, all this, just bring it out. And very importantly, your calculator. All right, your calculator is supposed to be your best friend. I did say just now. All right, it's supposed to be your only friend in the examination hall. All right, so treat it well, and the calculator will treat you well too. And lastly, your attention and focus. I know that today is a Friday. It's the weekend. Yes, what are we doing? We are having lessons. All right, so we are spending our time wisely. Anyway, now also cannot go out. I think it's back to 2%. And if you are vaccinated, 5% who is vaccinated, then can go out. So anyway, stay at home and listen to Burn. Okay, so moving on. Let's talk a little bit about something called parallel lines first. Oh, very, very important topic. In primary school, you learn about parallel lines. Yes, correct, I know. But in secondary school, we talk about the reasoning. All right. So you must learn how to present your reasoning. Cool? Okay. For those who got a question, want to ask me or want to slow me down, you can actually go to the chat and just type in whatever question you want to ask. Is that okay? Yeah. So everybody will be muted. Okay. So moving on, let's talk about something called parallel lines. What's the meaning of parallel lines? Oh, this one very sad story. All right, parallel lines are lines that will never ever ever meet. Ever cube means ever. You all know, right? Okay, never mind. Not important. All right. So how do I know what is the meaning of parallel lines? I always remember the L. You see the L, right? These two L, very sad story. Up till now, they still haven't met before. All right, they have been side by side neighbors for so long and they still haven't met each other. All right, so lines that will never, ever meet. Okay, those are called parallel lines. And for parallel lines, right, there are three very important rules. All right, that is going to be shown down here. Just a quick revision. The very first one is called the Z rule. All right, can you see the Z now here? The red color, the Z rule. Okay, this is the Z rule. So the two angles that is part of the Z is where? All right, it's actually this angle over here, angle green, and this angle here. Can you see? All right, the Z, and these two are like the part of the elbow portion. All right, the bend, the elbow bending part. All right. So for example, this is A, angle A. This will also be equal to a angle A. So usually we say that angle A is equal to angle A. Oh, be very clear that the yellow lines are parallel. All right, they are parallel, then you can activate this rule. So angle A equal to angle A, what rule do we call this? We call this alternate angle. Don't use the word Z, Z rule. No. We use the word alternate angles. Oh my goodness, I was about to write alternate rules. All right, alternate angles. Can? And try to be a little bit more detailed in your presentation. For example, they give you this line is called line AB, and this line is called CD. All right. We additionally have to declare that AB is parallel to CD, all right, in order to activate this alternate angle. All right, so we are giving quite a number of details here. We are saying that this angle is equal to this angle. What's the rule? Alternate angle. For short, we call it the Z rule. Huh? Can you see the Z? Yep. And continue, we write who is parallel to who. All right, that is very important. Can you see that there's another Z down here? All right, follow the orange. Oh, sorry, follow the purple. Can you see down here? There's another Z. Purple, purple. Can you see? Then coming down here. Can you see the purple? Okay, can you see down here? So this portion here, right, is also something called the opposite of the Z, right? Can you see? This part. All right, so the blue equal to the blue also. Can you see that? All right, so the Z, right, can be in the opposite way. So this is called the alternate angle. The second rule, right, we have, look at the red color again. All right, we have something called the F rule here. Can you see this F? Oops, sorry. Okay, a quick revision. So this is called the F rule. Can you see the alphabet F? The red color? Yep. So once again, this green and this green, they are the same. We call this C, angle C. So angle C is actually equal to angle C, and the reason is called corresponding angle. All right, not the F rule, corresponding angle. And once again, right, all right, if they give you the lines, yes lah, better right, all right. If they give you the parallel lines, for example, this is line AB and this is line CD, you have to declare that AB is parallel to CD. You're using this pair of parallel lines to assist you, right? It's better to declare, right? This is like the O-level standard. So it's better to start your early with the O-level standard. So I know that you're in Sec 1, Sec 2, your O-level is still 2 years, 3 years later, but I believe that a good habit starts now. All right, if you do this regularly, right, your fingers will actually remember what to write. Yeah, I have reached a stage whereby my fingers know exactly what to write. I don't even have to go through my brain. So if you keep writing, right, it's a good habit. All right, and when it comes out in the O level, you write it out, you get the full marks. All right, better to learn and to absorb as much as possible at this moment. All right, then when you go to your O level, there are other problems down there. All right, Sec 3, Sec 4 got even more problems. So you must make sure that your Sec 1, Sec 2 foundation is strong enough. Can? So this is something called corresponding angle. Is there another corresponding angle? Yeah. Check this out. Can you see the purple? All right. I know I shouldn't use purple. Purple, the color quite hard to see. Can you see the purple, this other side? Like that also can. Yes. It's like the inverted F, right? Not inverted, sorry. Maybe it's laterally inverted. All right. So this part is the blue. So this one, blue, is equal to blue also. Got another F? God, I saw another one, which is what? Do you see the upside down F? Do you see the upside down green F here? Oh my goodness, so many. Can you see the upside down green F here? Okay, so this one will be the angle orange equal to angle orange. Got another one. God. So many. Yeah lah. Okay, a lot. I'm running out of colors. I can't think of what to select. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing? Not selecting anything, right? Okay, let's try this blue. All right, so this is the upside down. My PowerPoint is blue and I use blue. Not very smart like me. Colors. Okay, can you see this blue? Okay, try to see lah, So down here, right, this angle white here will be equal to the angle white here. Whoa, so colorful. All these are what? All these are called interior angles. Corresponding angle, the F rule. Cool. Okay, the last one, under parallel lines, this line is parallel to here. And can you see that there's something called a U shape down here? U. All right, can you see the U? Okay, so this and this, green, this and this, the two angles, they are facing each other, face off. All right, these two angles, they are facing each other. We call this like angle B or angle D. All right,